Hey guys!
Yeah! We back with another video.
Hey.
We back with another video.
Hey.
Man, guys, it's been a long time we sit here to do a reaction video.
Exactly, it's really been long.
But today we are happy to be back. We are happy to be back. And today we are reacting to people eating egusi and fufu. Like people eating this.
Fufu.
This is fufu.
Yes.
And this is egusi.
Egusi. Look at this.
It's looking good, yeah? So we're just going to react to people eating it. Many people don't know how to eat this thing.
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
And people call it a challenge. It's not a challenge, it's a tradition. This is African tradition.
Exactly, Nigerian tradition. They
You
don't
know?
play with fufu at all.
You know, fufu in Nigeria is like one of the traditional food. When you are doing a marriage, when you are doing any ceremony, they have this in Nigeria. So we just want to watch people eat it.
Exactly.
So it's a reaction video. And if they are new to the channel,
please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Please subscribe.
just do it already. So without further ado, we'll be eating this.
Yes.
And we'll be reacting.
Yes, let's get straight into the video.
Yay.
And we forgot, we have mod, baby.
We have our mod, super mod. And this one, yeah. Where is this?
Super mod original.
Yes, super mod original.
Yeah.
So we'll go straight to the video. Let's see. You know, these people, they don't know how to eat
Egusi. We're going to be teaching you people how to eat egusi.
Let's watch this. I got a full. We're just watching while we are eating as well.
Yes.
Okay, let's see the way they eat their own egusi. Got a full.
Wow, that fufu looks good. That egusi.
Yes, baby. Let me put some volume so we hear what they're saying.
Oh, in there. Dipping, right?
You dip the way I'm dipping. Like seriously?
No, she liked it. She's just
Finally
capping.
trying fufu. I went to Victoria.
You have to be excited. Like when you are eating fufu, you have to be
For
excited.
everybody that told me about that place.
How do you do it, babe?
He eats all y'all.
Tastes very good.
Do you make a hole?
I gotta take the plastic off.
It depends on how you want to do it. You can make a
I
hole.
bought 2 fufus.
Listen.
And I bought
The way this guy is doing it, you can see the excitement.
Yeah.
When you want to eat fufu, you have to be excited. Look at. I think I have to be teaching these guys how to eat this fufu, you know. I don't go in.
Good.
Let's see what this guy is doing now.
what's this called again? I forgot. Look.
Is
I
it?
think it's egusi and something else, but let me
That
try
is
it, bro.
okra.
Remember, don't forget to smack the
We didn't smack.
Hit it like
You have to hit it. But I don't know who taught them that. In Nigeria, we don't do that.
Hold on, y'all.
He's doing it
Y'all
right.
onto something. Mama. He eats, bro. Thank you for this.
Well, just eat your food now.
We got a special dish. We got fufu and egusi. So just for the record, I just washed my hands, so my hands are nice and clean. Okay, so you gotta grab the fufu. And you gotta make it a nice little crevice.
Yeah, just like the way I'm doing now.
And then you don't wanna dip, you wanna scoop. So we're gonna scoop.
This is so nice.
As always, this is my first time ever trying this. Oh my god. And the
Oh my
fufu is
God.
sponge-like. Oh my god.
So guys, for you that have not tried egusi and fufu before, I think you should go and try it.
Exactly.
But if you are lucky like me to have a wife that can cook it, that's the best. But if you don't, you can always
Buy it, order it.
you know. This is a food everybody should try. In case you've not tried it, please just go and do it. Let's see what this guy is doing.
Alright, so we got a chicken piece.
Mm.
This is chicken. Yeah. And remember, it's
He used chicken to cook his own.
dumbass. Isn't that funny? What's this? Oh, it's spicy.
It's spicy. But which one do you think is better? The one with spice, the one that is spicy, or
Spicy.
you feel that one is better? But it depends. No, many people don't like. Some people don't like it spicy. But
But all Nigerians eat spicy because they've grown up eating spices, so they're used to that. You understand?
yeah,
So, and
But-
I feel it's good when you actually get used to it. It's good. I like it now.
it depends on how you like it anyway. It depends on how you like it anyway. I know this thing it just started trending. This is egusi and fufu.
Remember when you make me? I wasn't used to eating spicy food and all that, but now I'm a pro. I love spicy
But it's
Nigerian
good.
dishes.
It's good. It's good.
Oh my god. This is so good. You gotta get it.
Man, I'm back for part 2. And where do
But there's something about fufu. You can eat it with, Nigeria has so many soup. Sauce. You can call it sauce or soup. Like this one is a goosey. We are eating it with a goosey. Like what this girl she's doing, she's eating it with a vegetable. With spinach and your tomato sauce stew, It's good.
and fufu, got jollof, got red stew. My son eating jollof is a little bit spicy, but he handling it pretty well. You guys have to try this one. Sometimes it's not available. They mainly have like egusi, okra, all of that, but when you find this one, you guys have to try it. It's so good.
So good, my
It's
people.
like tomato and spinach and just, oh my god. Oh, I freaking love this.
Baby, look at this guy's pomo. Guys, that meat she's eating is called pomo. It's very thick. Oh my god.
And the funny thing about eating egusi and all these Nigerian African foods, it's like when you're eating, the concentration is just on the food. I even forgot that we're doing a reaction. I'm just busy eating.
It's true because
That's how good it is.
the food is so nice. Like you just want to concentrate. You don't want to say anything while eating. You don't want to say anything because it's very difficult for me to talk. And maybe this one is fish or shrimp. Which one is what is this?
It's just eating. It's something nice.
Whoa,
And I added a little bit of assorted meats.
guys. You can see her eyes.
Nigerian. Because I grew up eating food.
She's a Nigerian.
And it's so underrated. Like, I'm glad people are finally catching on to it.
What? It's true, man. It's true.
Know what time it is? Another
Like when you have fufu and a goose in front of you, you have no choice but just to sing. Look at the way she's singing. The excitement.
Go, girl.
I just got home from Unstock the Kitchen in Columbia, South Carolina. It's an African restaurant. I've been wanting to try African food for so long now. And yesterday, I saw one of my good cousins post her soup and her fufu on the TL, and I just had to go. I had to go see what it was giving. This is fufu made fresh, okay, very much. And this is pepper soup with goat meat.
Oh,
So,
she's doing it right,
bitch, you're a rob.
You see, there's a difference between her fufu and ours. Ours is a little bit kind of hard, but it's not that hard. But you can see hers is kind of slimy. But that one works better with this soup she's using.
Okra?
She's using which soup did she say she was using? Let me take it back. She's using I don't know.
I think it's okra.
That's okra, yeah.
They say don't hold on. They say don't dip, scoop.
Don't deep scoop.
This giving what it was supposed to get. Okay, this is giving me very much. Oh.
I don't know who is really giving him this idea. Don't deep scoop or something. But you have to, you know, the truth is you have to go in, dig in, and get all the things from under, you know, because that's where the sweetness lies.
Oh, guys.
This is. Don't do that. You're going to make them hungry.
Oh, wow.
You're going to make them hungry. Let's see what this guy's got going.
This dash.
And the what was it called? Egusi.
The way they call it, they say egusi. It's egusi.
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 A yams and then that. They said you had to smack it, so I don't know.
Whoever said that, I don't know where the person is from. The person definitely is not from Nigeria. Baby, I really need to drink my high malt now.
You help me open mine as well.
Guys, let me pause their video. I need to open this. Your teeth has to be strong before you can do that. Let me open for you, baby.
Thank you. I don't know. I just feel like touching yours. Then
You can touch mine now.
no, not that I want to do it. I'm just getting confused.
Make sure you wash it down with this. They are not doing it right. They are not doing it right. I got my
Put some for her in her
cup.
Let me pour her water. Okay.
Just better I drink it.
Well, with our princess, she's there. I don't know if you guys can see her.
They can see. Okay, guys, let's see what they're doing.
I already got my egusi, and this is my fufu.
Egusi
It's
fufu.
waiting, so you gotta slap it, take it.
Who taught you guys that?
It was so worth it.
Guys, you can see this advert is coming to our videos because we're watching from YouTube. Woo, yuck. Actually, that was that. We got that one from TikTok. It's just like TikTok compilation. We just saw that, and that was the end of that. So, guys, if you've not tried egusi
You have to try it.
and pounded yam,
You have to try it.
it's not a challenge. It's just African lifestyle, you know. And you know that Nigeria has the most nourishable and delicious food in the world. I don't know if you want to argue that, baby. What do you think about that?
But I kind of think it's true. Your country has so much food.
They have so much food, and right now I'm so happy that this fufu and egusi is coming to the attention of the world, because everybody now is doing it. Everybody knows about egusi and fufu. But this video was not really a mukbang. We're just reacting to people eating egusi and
Baby, that
fufu.
looks good.
You want to try? And this meat is beef meat. It's cow meat. Yes, baby.
So good.
Guys, that is the video. You see the way we are eating egusi and fufu. This is the right way to eat it.
You can't eat with a spoon, fork, or anything. You use your hands, and
You have to lick your fingers.
that's how you know it's good.
And if you are to eat with my mom and you bring a spoon and a fork, he's going to slap the spoon out of your hands. You eat with your hands. So guys, in case you have not seen the egusi and fufu experience, why not try it out? Just try it out and see. Your life will never be the same again.
Anyways, guys, that was it for today's video.
Yes.
And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys liked it. feel free to comment and say whatever you want to say in the comment section below. And yeah,
And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Just one thumbs up is okay for us, and it should be you that is doing it, right?
yes.
So guys, that's the video for today, and we will see you in our next video.
Peace.